Okay, so let's look at our last video dealing with word problems. So, a jeweler had a fixed amount of gold to make bracelets and necklaces. The amount of gold in each bracelet is 6 grams. So, bracelets, 6 grams. And the amount of gold in each necklace is 16. So, I'm just making a note of that. The jeweler used 178 grams of gold and 7 more necklaces than bracelets. Okay. Now, if you're not really sure how to write that one down, 7 more than more necklaces than bracelets. So I just made myself a little note. Write a systems of equations that could be used to determine the number of bracelets made and the number of necklaces made. Define the variables that you use to write the system. All right. So bracelets, necklaces. And it told me in my sentence that that's going to be made. That's what we're looking for. Necklaces made. Okay, now I need to write systems of equation. Okay, so if we're not sure about this one, we'll save this one for last. Let's deal with this fact that we've got these 6 grams for a bracelet, 16 grams for a necklace, and a total of 178. So that means 6b plus 16n should equal 178. Because that way, okay, if he makes a bracelet, he'll multiply that by 6 grams. If he makes a necklace, we'll multiply that by 16 grams. Okay, so that works. So 6b plus 16n is going to equal 178. Okay, now we got to write the equation 7 more necklaces than bracelets. Okay, so in my mind, if I say, let's just say for pretend, he makes 2 bracelets, he's going to make 7 more necklaces. So that's going to equal 9. Well, how did I get that? Well, I took my bracelet count, and if I add 7 to that, that should equal my necklaces. Does that make sense? Okay, so if I want B, I have to take B plus 7, and that's going to equal 9. Okay, so let's type that in here. B plus 7 equals N. All right, so let's see how I did. Submit my answer. Yes, and I got my green check. Okay, now let's just see how they wrote it here. Okay, so he wrote the same equations basically, except he wrote n equals b plus 7. But that's the same thing, okay? It's can be written on the left or right side. All right, so those are your videos for word problems. Remember, you're just setting them up. We're not solving them. We did not do any solving steps. We will talk about that in our next section. Okay, good luck, you guys.